Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust vibrance of an image on Photopea. So first of all, I want to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image for which you want to edit. So for adjusting the vibrance, here on the top you can see here menu options, and here as an option you can see here image, click on that. And from here as second option you can see here adjustments, click on that. And here as a fifth option you can see here vibrance, click on that. Here as a first section you can see here vibrance, and from here you can just increase or decrease it. And after adjusting it, click on OK. So now you can see that you had been adjust the vibrance of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.